In this video tutorial, we will show you how to upgrade Windows 7 to a Windows 8. In order to upgrade Windows 7 to Windows 8, you must have Windows 7 installed and a DVD with the Windows 8 Clear installation. Go to Computer. Open the CD-ROM Drive with Windows 8 DVD and run Setup. Choose a language and language options in the next window. In the following window, click on Install Now. Wait until setup starts. In the opened Windows Setup window, choose not to get important online updates. In the next window, select what Windows 8 system you want to install and click Next. Then check the license agreement and press Next. In the following window, choose Custom Installation. In the next step, select the primary drive where to install Windows 8 and press Next. In the pop-up window, you will see the warning that your previous system files will be moved to the Windows Old folder and you will not be able to use your previous version of Windows. Press OK. After that, Windows will start the installation process. The process will take about 30 to 40 minutes and will restart automatically a few times. The next step is to enter a Windows license key if you have one, or skip this to enter it later. After it, you will see the personalization window where you must type a PC name and press Next. In the following window, you can customize settings or just use Express settings. In the next window, you must sign into your PC, or just sign in without a Microsoft account and create a local account. In the next window, type in a username to sign into your PC and press Finish. Windows will finalize your settings. Wait until it is done. Finally, you will see the Windows 8 Start screen. Go to Desktop and right-click on the computer. Choose Properties. Now you can see that you are using Windows 8.